Understanding kill the ball in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, kill the ball. This phrase might sound a bit strange at first, but it's quite common in certain contexts. Let's dive into its meaning and usage together. Kill the ball is an idiomatic expression primarily used in sports, particularly in games like football, soccer, and tennis. It means to stop the ball quickly and effectively so that it ceases to move or is under control. This phrase is often used to describe a player's skill in swiftly stopping the ball, preventing it from moving further. The origin of kill the ball is rooted in sports terminology, where the word kill is used metaphorically. In this context, kill doesn't have a violent connotation but instead refers to stopping something abruptly. This phrase is commonly used by sports commentators, coaches, and players. 1. Football, soccer. The midfielder killed the ball expertly with his first touch, giving him control to make the next play. 2. Tennis. She killed the ball at the net, making a sharp volley that won her the point. 3. Casual conversation. Did you see that match? David really knows how to kill the ball. Interestingly, kill the ball can also be used figuratively in everyday language. It can imply bringing a stop to something or taking control of a situation. For example, he killed the ball in the meeting by addressing all the concerns effectively. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand the phrase, kill the ball. It's a great example of how language in sports can cross over into everyday conversation. Stay tuned for more interesting phrases in our next videos. Happy learning!